Afoi.
Afoi la
It is ni.
Atuma ba.
Long time.
Long time karni marom mene.
Ni ana dang ngwen no long time do.
Eh.
Okay, time is short time.
So, yene bera karni dark side.
Oh, ni ana pala mabe kar but anyway. Aber ga yenyi because aber ka nano news mo tika trending. Ma taka wachi kong warwate wa lokong into that thing. La dit mano speaker Anita Mong urwate kila dit sale. Now, in tamane urwate pa jo ni. Rather in the business line or politically. Because Kenyan at the moment, we down a tech full any speakership. Not in Uganda, be mere ge chwal megi, kwane, Anita Mong aki Eastern be mere ge chwal megi.
There's money aki busaga.
Be mere ge chwal megi. Now, Ratapa Anita Mong in being one of the candidates magi biore, funyingi ger poker. But never tin la dioten wa char being ni nyeti ka kati mabe no luti ka mi luor ita moni rate pala dit speaker ka che la dit general sale ka pe go rate line me business unyo ita mi promo mio mere pasan mo unyo ka go rate line me business do you think which business madam jeni biro discussing wa guru ka
no rate pa speaker mongi genke genocide even if it was politically, there's nothing wrong with it.
Kati politically time around my percent more concrete para megani.
Of course, in
which way?
In
which way?
Eating at most cases, Germany went so a yabu. Polo when went pole guchu.
When you saw to wagulu.
Pole penny wang ba. Tell them again my war actually can't be for my mentioning Ninja that of Professor Galatigu. But it was
Monyo Gabage.
I don't know. The other one giving career. Because for power now, they are airing their views in most cases. But now, whatever speak among with Jerusalem Saleh, there's nothing wrong with it. Even if it's politically or business-wise, there's nothing wrong with it because if it is political, then it's wrong because Salim Saleh
a politics.
Sorry, politics. But at most cases, in any politics is everywhere. Why when politics when you talk with that and you kid out to feel that you're Bertie. Now, again, it was political, then just it means Anita Mong is looking for support.
So no, they know ni. Kira wajo kaya not looking for support. Support around Berni financially.
No, not financially.
Or to influence people.
No,
parliament. You remember parliament because.
No. It's this. Even she's already doing wrong. You know, the new elected MPs haven't yet been gazetted. Nyingi for peke gazetting UPPC. Peke gazetting nyingi. So at most cases. Kapag gazete nyingi nyuro ni be konye pe yen me chako bieto kui
menye luor
ki me twar chako bieto kui ki ngo ki lutele ma nyen mano magigena ki lutele ma chon manyi magi yergi bade go donge parliament go yerge go donge parliament but lutele ni magi ka chara wa ne bir kui bor me there's no need me bir kui bor I know Anita Mong has been strategizing this thing long time ni MPs mo kana me go chat no go chato Buchato mere without the opponents. Buchato mere la bang la bon. Ngara me kan me chunga against
unopposed.
Of course unopposed. So, combinatoire beti ka word. Ikid me beto lokki dem sale wa gwa cha kene lokki MPs gwa actually because MPs makani actually they're always with the guy. They love the guy and they're always chilling with the guy. Giberka chilo. Of course, they consult a lot of things from them. So, tamani go kagwa ulo kedgi mono kidma from my perspective. From my own thinking, mo keda bi okede. So, there's nothing wrong with it. But it was business wise. Of course, General Salim Saleh loved business long time. Me, I knew him loving business long time. I think I knew him in 1997. Actually, first time of hearing about Nimu 70 Salim Saleh. It was in 1919. Actually, 1997. I was still very young.
Kikwe.
Of course, it was in the barracks. I lived in Nakasongola barracks. Then, but knowing him by knowing that this one is an army officer with this kind of rank, that's when I started knowing him. But seeing him physically, it was I think in early 2002 or 2003. I used to see his convoy just passing. His cars, actually, let me say his convoy passing around the barracks. That is in Nakasongola barracks. Then and I take a setting, paying me make a senior for it was in I think it was 2002, not 2003.
Minyo antique and obese.
Obese, of course, obese, but mega Nakasongola army. Aquara Nakasongola army, Macano, Nerma, Penerma, no, and most cases, go yen obese Mago Nakasongola army. No, okay, yen get it, but Angate,
go yen you
Mirna. Could it ding on annual, could it be Charo, Ganane. Bara chunya ni bara pera ni ko ngara ni command pera ke ni ko lo dir moy because lo dir moy ma dum ful ma ngi ma rom they grew up in rank when I was in Nakasongola barracks, so ngi ma dum mo kana tie this the late Major Pio men no tama wanyo chara mano fotiki gwe achile kam in Nakasongola. That was in 2000. So knowing General Saleh, I think seeing him physically, it was in that year when he was sitting his examination. Actually, we had even gone to that school to fetch water. We were told that no school because senior fours are sitting. So, but also we studied from that school. So, if it was business-wise, I think there's nothing wrong with it. Anita can go there several times because there's Sheikh Mike Mawain Anita Merpo. She can go there as much as possible as she can.
Piani, you know where I know what you will know come and lock again, manak, and Yankee body because kicking thing down or take a catholic lock me. Kita ning ni mo, the America to me better speaker. Mo aki guru. Didn't young way. At least, ka be rataki sale. Iwajo, tame. I need sale coin M. We're lock him out. I'm stepping down.
But when open, this guy is mad. That's the reason
I
why
want to lock with my take away.
Okay, monologue take away because the process is too much. And you know, the lady has been a little bit arrogant. I don't know how I should say. Maybe she has not been doing things. She has not been doing things the way the party wants. She might have been a little bit. Contrary to what the party wanted. That's what might have caused her, like seriously. But the fact will still remain me. When she's looking for votes, then there's no problem with it. Those are some of the strategies of getting votes. But I see most of the members of the sect, I think they're not so much into her. They are maybe into another person because of maybe doing things contrary to what the party loves, which is automatically not bad. Which is automatically not bad. So what I would wish is that she should what she has to do is befriending most of the new elected guys into the parliament. Better what? Only that you have to get their contact and talk to them and give them some little kitukidogo because there's nothing that you go with it for free in this Uganda. Meniki mama no. When you go make an anange will be in the parliament, do my bikini. Kone do my man kone do my bikini. America won't take a be in the parliament. You guys should come and give me support. Even if you're in opposition, even if you're in the government. She has not been so much in love with neutral with the opposition. That's the reason to why opposition might not give her votes. Opposition might give votes to either someone within the NRM or any other opposition person who will come. Semuju has ever been into this thing. I think twice. They have ever given her votes. Kekenini, down up again. Joe and Maggie Yargamani and the beginning of Kirkit Mogono Lamigani Quaker or Kirana Magani Temeke Parliament. It was a Lamigani chain and any. Calamigami chain, a pegamy votes. In any moment, being a parliament, opposition, peg the meaning, members of Nook. Peg the meaning a million near Derma will Mutaka. Any new and in the deck opposition. So, but at the end of the day, mere votes keep on.
Yani, Kumberikera and Obionokani, while opposition Mokan Begatica pay because in Ano La Dir Salakera is a business person. Arangobe Sale, is a business person, business-oriented person, and very serious in business, by the way. Many are what waka enemy. Because of business, and then Dr. Churchill, operation wealth creation, and but now, what position when Pegatiga Gano, la Megoni ko Biono, or Biono Carate, Gengeri, la Mepo Biono, business wise. Because how comes in our journey, you are young, near kind, solid kind thing, and po being.
No, she has ever been here, I think, twice. I think this is the third time.
This is the second time. First time, and I remember last year, Obion Kabak in one of the MP can, now, Obedi Bedung, party, and then one come, anyway, you don't like this, but let me bring it. Another one come, Badigal Yividiza.
Man,
RM, Otobi. Ulog Matek to come Juma. MPs magati I can't get it.
No, some of these guys, they're just good for mobilizing. Mobilization needs a noisy person. No, it's not that. It's not that you know politics. Sometimes I've ever watching it. Temepa calling Penyon, these guys are not going to give votes to These guys are businessmen. Getting you pain. You are watching money Matibora Nita Mungan at the pare. Erge mi ki bomma eni gen mata ba gocha benuni ke da vuli ni kona ko mer pe ge dange because obera kunyi pe to kwa ara don ko meni o ma ara bi no ko berga chu me da lo wi kumi because in ila
so mo nyore kele wai lo pa o donga to man ni wai lo bol kwi ron be ne to mer ge ye ga yar be char ga bol kwi so because yani ge go beti me pe go be chob mi kwi bala me gore so kele wai lo ko donga to ni
o donga to wa je ne pien ni ya be ka wo jala ka chel wa kano NRM anyo this government no ge jogo tax ni war wata kere wa chom kere yo mabe no ko wati mabe no in terms of infrastructures and so many things eto ge jogo tax ma dire ngele chen pene no the outcome of the tax kira din dan penye gini ni ya pa nge kere mi tir kere gi kon me ti wak da de mar pi dan penye kitma you are anyo institutions even anyo
giti
kere kum lukin gang anyo dan bol mere kwi cha kere berata
so do ata no me ye dan lo bol kwi
don ko is right we cha kere no mere no ye jo mere bol kwi ya because lakin gang ku ja wene ke mi ka do lakin gang ku ja wajini an ko mere bol kwi bien ni ngap ni ki waite NRM mekana ke boli ki ma pat ngara ti independent because ngara ti independent bu mi ke moy kan
kero don ko ka ke bielo bol ku ya yara ga yar lo bol ku ma mar ngat mo ni chani era yen pege ma
no problem
sini ke dwa ti me ga yen yang i mar ngat mo ge
jo ma ke ngiyo penye pege bolo ku piene ni kere ke bolo ku at most cases they out they gene the numbers ma make you will not reach what is wanted
okay
but ngiyo penye kiri bira gi chene ko me no ne kiri bol ki la ba bere pe
okay now
ended up with looking gang mama no pegging you looking gang no pegging you twaro gi looking gang ma pegging you ni tax ma gi jogi bot gi this should be the outcome of the tax looking gang ma pegging you ni innovative pagamento ma mero un team erge tamani mero kai e bolere qui me birra ena birra pe mero ini bol pe mero ini birra ani sore Premier ini pol kuibon ngano chi bira optimic money. It's within your right and it's mandatory for the government to do for you those things.
Oh, okay.
So permo de kere ene kenga mere chi bok jigini one tax magi ganyo ngole boroni ba mere timgena nyon. One time mago wine mere peke taxing kuman. Ana wachini mutaka. No ini. Kichar for 7 million Uganda. Ere nge will no Dubai. Ke will no 10 million. Shipping cost at 3.5 million.
That's
no 3.5
and that is 13 plus that
13 for
3 point
that is 13 point the money ka do Uganda ka no mer pokat will ma dir no mer be around ka will attack no mer be 25
lar ma be 19 kenyo
no mer be 25 million angeni kitamen dan mo be ki chen dan ko no be ki mataka Uganda eri no ni mutaka te for the 7 million when mengo
it's okay now
ki jogo tax 10 billion erke timu 2 billion ke kan manyu 8 billion mo no pe nyang style
me agikne yan cha don right me agiki kiti la speaker me parliament Uganda ubion karwar ki la dir sale line me politics ni speakership race tama nga mano iro wa ne gido lo nga mero wa ni Kenya
inge bien ne ka entie the pressure is too much. There are a lot of MPs that come from the northern region. And bila be speakership mamegi gubile ko lanya baro lanya puri lanya tipini mo na kombine ni tamani MPs ma aka gago kono ka bon ko tido moroto kono kweni di West Nile mer no mer enes gammo ibu soga region ko jena populare because the soga region te kanya ero nyome ye don pelare des lady matika bien magil won namo ganzo ole we ka daga mara do ole be do we anita mongi 2023 ma right no karo man ko be do namo ganzo way de dugu pebere no yod bo nyuri in case anita way be ren independent because enti ki chente me to ki MPs wa ren running independent as kadaga did last time ko way ni ko be ren running independent moti ki storage me bi to kuine ni to ki bi salim sale ka gwa keta ke way ni salim sale bi no bo salim sale in the line of politics way inde lokumer mina mentit
okay
wak dom potar ma goro wak mara ne dugi komata so
gido mare
bebere yot
gido
mare en be down sale backing gene ke way no backing tele mo ko in so kado ti jo eni kado ti la dit sale me bi to joni maka ini nge no ni tete ka ber ti bor mi ga ma chala ma mi ngi ni ma ga mi yere ku because dano winyi ni ma go chere speakership ma ga ni chung kana ma pa chung kana ma baka mo kana ke na ma pe kar pi ma pe kar pi
ro tamre be ma ro te de sen
ma pe kar pi
speaker bion ata itamne ma ro te sen ke speaker bion rat
ma ti ka lo ngi ni ko ber ka no ma ti ye ya mo go ne winyi fo ti wana ber ku o ber yo pa lo bishop pengi ni maybe what is doing underground
now pingo office in down ma da klar
no gemo kan mati juisi me down ma da ma la chawo ken ti kamo ken no gidi timo minyi kan ko no office ni manyu ya ma be ti ni ngara mo to bien way enquête pe ke chula chen ma dit eta mera team gen ma office no po arme timo ne no ke bera timo min ma duong blanders ma duong
that's why down me ro
kono but me way lo gada gini no kan no ke timo independently on open ground pa bully anita no pe down me ne ki
it's okay
because the plan ma duong people kan you bet gini ma and you go bet gini semujo people would have given it to a different person apart from her
okay
but kira na maganza tika bionu ni ka NRM be go tamani megi pere inge gini ma lo ke kokas chankwanzi chene kumge chene
goyo kenyo
kidu ga nge gwar ku yoy wi go balle o
okay wa foi ma tax dol man la dit YMC commander watam ni lok makwako ngoma tika going on kubi loka speakership pian biono pa speaker be karwar ki la dit general sale we gulu kan bena tika pero lok ma tax toal mono bot megi o mokan megi tin na gen be mer cher ka chung kono pi in me marwa i maro update ma biono boro cher e dark spot politics cher nene e kero langi kono subscription cher subscribing la beri ken dan mo ben yang updates kan go ben like ko be wata dak ne mo kana wo be duggi updates mo ken man iti ka ko ne man tika kati locally para. What for?